Okay, so to take apart this water fountain pump, all you're gonna do is just hold it firmly right there where the indentations are. And you're just gonna pop off the top. Then you're gonna grab yourself a little set of pliers. This was the part I struggled with, so all you're gonna do is just get it on that center piece of plastic and twist counterclockwise. Pop that off. See, there's a little bit of algae on there that needs to be cleaned off. Once you get that, pretty straightforward. Just take off this little plastic piece, set that aside. You can pull that metal bar out, and then the whole little propeller will come straight out, and you can just clean that out. And you see in there, there's that little hole. That's where the bar goes. So put it back together. Hole goes in the bar goes in the hole. And you're gonna put this fixture back in. Put the little cap on. Put this back on. Just press it down firmly. Twist it clockwise. Then after you clean everything, pop the cap back on. Of course, I'm not gonna clean everything right now. I'll do that in just a second. And that's it. Not too bad.